Hello student, very good morning. Student, in previous lecture we had started the chapter 13, that is the sound, and we had discussed that how the sound is produced by the vibrations. Okay, today we will discuss about the topic how the sound is produced in musical instruments. Okay, this is the our topic of today, how the sound is produced in म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, मतलब कि म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट में साउंड कैसे प्रोड्यूस होता है. सो वी हैड covered lot of topics in previous video, and we discussed that how the sound is produced, and it is known to us that sound is produced by the vibrations, and before the before before the discussion of how sound is produced in musical instruments, we must have known that sound plays a vital role in our daily lives. We hear various sounds in our environment. Okay, like sound of various animals, birds, cars, means vehicles, and musical instruments are the few examples that we hear in our environment. Okay, so let's start. How sound is produced in musical instrument. Musical instruments produce sounds that soothe our ears. Means musical instruments produce or provides calms to our ears, and musical instruments produce sounds that provide calm to our ears. There are three types of musical instruments, as you know that here written is. There are percussion, string, and wind instrument. Okay, we will discuss one by one. Percussion instruments. Some instruments need to be struck by an object in order to produce a sound. These are called percussion instruments. You must have seen in our school, during the prayer you beat the drum, and on beating the drum you must have listened the sound produces there. Okay, the for example, when the membrane of drum is hit. ओके, हम लोग स्कूल में क्या करते हैं, ड्रम को पीटते हैं, ठीक ना, ड्रम के मेम्ब्रेन को. व्हेन द मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द ड्रम इज हिट, द मेम्ब्रेन एंड द एयर इनसाइड द वाइब्रेट, दिस प्रोड्यूस साउंड. Okay, on hitting the drum, the membrane of the drum vibrate, and this vibration produce sound. These are the other examples of percussion instruments like bass drum, snare drum, timpani, and chimes. Okay, let's we discuss about the string instrument. I think you are familiar with the instruments, and string instruments such as a sitar or a violin. You must have also known that guitar produce sounds when one or more of their strings are plucked. Okay, violin, guitar, and sitar. How in sitar, guitar, violin, we plug the strings attached there, and causing them to vibrate. As you can see here, the picture of violin, sitar, and next topic is the wind instruments. Wind instruments such as flute, a shehnai, or trumpet produce sound when the column of air inside an instrument vibrates. Okay, so these are the instruments that produce the sound, and these are known as musical instruments. Now the question is how sound is produced by humans. Human beings, how the sound produced. The human voice is produced in the larynx located in the throat. Okay, human voice is produced in the larynx. Larynx means that is the sound box. Okay, larynx means sound box. Human beings, the larynx, commonly called the voice box or glottis, is the it is the passageway for air between the pharynx above and the trachea below. Okay, it stands. We are talking about the larynx. Okay, it stands from the fourth to the sixth vertebral levels. During sound production, the vocal cords close together and vibrate as air expelled from the lungs passes between them. Okay, as you can see in the picture, this is the larynx. A larynx is situated located in the windpipe. Okay, the larynx is also called the voice box. There are two small bands of membranous tissues that stretch across the larynx with a small opening between them. This is the bands. Okay, this is the it is written here, small bands of membranous tissues. This is the small bands, and as you can see that these membranes are stretched across the larynx with a small opening between them, and these tissues are called vocal cords. Okay, what caused us to speak? As we speak, muscles in our larynx tighten the vocal cords. When we started to speak, the muscles in our larynx tighten. These muscles are tighten the vocal cords. Okay, when we speak, the muscles in our larynx started to tighten the vocal cords. These vocal cords are tightened, and the small opening after the when small opening for the air to come out becomes narrower, and when it becomes the tight, there becomes a small opening, and from this opening, when the air passes from the lungs, vibration is produced in the vocal cords. Okay, you have seen that must have seen that when we speak something, the air is arises from our mouth. Okay, so these airs passes through the vocal cords and started the vibration in the vocal cords, and it produced the sound. Okay, as it is written here, the vibration produce vocal cords vocal sounds. Okay, the tighten the vocal cords, टाइटर द वोकल कॉर्ड्स मोर रैपिडली देयर वाइब्रेट, है ना। जितना ही ये टाइट होगा उतना ही अधिक इसमें क्या प्रोड्यूस होगा, वाइब्रेशन प्रोड्यूस होगा। आप रबड़ को फैला देते हैं, रबड़ को फैलाने पर जितना भी इसको हम प्लग करते हैं उतना ही अधिक क्या करता है, वो साउंड प्रोड्यूस करता है। As you can see, this is the nasal cavity in the figure. Nasal cavity means cavity present in the nostril chamber, and this is the oral cavity, and both these cavity are commonly open in the pharynx. Okay, this is the pharynx, and forward it is there are two ways. One pipe is windpipe, and in windpipe you are watching that here it is located the vocal folds. Okay, vocal cords. Now the how animals produce sounds. Animals also, all the mammals means including we, the animals having the milk producing glands. Birds and frogs have vocal cords or similar structures which allow them to produce sound in a similar way. Like us, means human beings. However, many other animals produce sound from different means. All animals do not produce the sounds like us. Some have different phenomena. For example, bees buzz as they fly. You must have seen the bees. When the bees fly, their wings vibrate very rapidly, and from the vibration of their wings, they are producing a buzzing sound. Okay, the rapid movement of the wings of the bees makes the air vibrate and produce a buzzing sound. So it is clear that sound is produced by vibration bodies. How does it travel from vibrating body and reach our ears? The whole process can be divided into three stages. First one is origin. Sound is produced by a vibrating body, as we had discussed. And now the second step is propagation, means prasar. Sound waves travels through a material, means sound needs a medium to travel from one place to another place. Okay, if we are telling, we are talking in the classrooms, we are discussing something in the classrooms, then the voice of one person reached to us by the presence of air there. Okay, means sound needs any medium to propagate from one place to another place. And here this is the perceptions. Okay, sound reaches our ears and we can hear it. Okay, only sounds we can hear it, we cannot watch it, we cannot see it, only we can feel the sound. Okay, so these are the steps. Okay, so we have already discussed about the vibration and the origin of sounds. Now we will discuss how sound is propagates. So rest, this is the too much for the today's class, and rest of the things we will discuss in the next videos. Okay, you have to prepare, read it carefully, and try to the prepare the copy, maintain your copy, and we will meet the next video, next class. Okay, thank you very much.